To customize always on display clock on the Samsung Galaxy S26, for example, you can get this super big with some kind of the animation. So first of all, you have to just start by opening the Galaxy store, and it will be available just over here. You have to be connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data, and go for apps, click here and select Good Lock. This is the application that you are gonna download. You have to open it, and right now you will have to just wait until it will be opened, and you are looking for a plugins, and you are looking for this plugin called ClockFace. You will have to download it, and then you have to open it. And here you can find multiple things. First of all, you can find default faces. So if you want to get, let's say, for example, this kind of the always on display clock, you can just apply this, but you can even customize it if you want some changes. For example, you can change font of this clock. You can change its size and position. Let's say it's enough for you. You have to click here. Now we are selecting this and click here. Now as you can see, you can change its position and you can even change its size. There we go. You clicking down. Now you just set this up. But you can set a completely custom option by going for the clock face one more time. You can go into the my clock here, click on the plus, and now take a look. When you go over here on the plus, you can even add the analog clock, the text clock. You can change text position. It can even looks like this. You can change its color, but of course you can even add a date. There's like a lot of things that you can actually add here. You can easily manage them by selecting and clicking on the recycle bin icon. You can even add a custom image here. So you are picking your gallery. Now you are picking your favorite photo. And now we can also change its size like this. And right now you can of course add the time, for example. So we can put it over here. And you can do whatever you want. You can even add the weather information that will be visible, for example, over here in the left upper corner, or you can add some kind of the text, custom text, for example, hello, and you can put it over here. Now, if you apply and use everything, you can click download. Now tap on it, click apply, click done, and now we are locking the screen. And here we can find our customize lock screen and the customized clock on the always on display.